Happy sunset from Stella Maris Beach Cove here in Umag. And it is a wonderful pebble beach in a very nice cove here on the Adriatic Sea. It is 11th of October, 5:53 p.m. and the sunset is going to be here. I mean, the sunset will set at the sea in around half an hour. And here it seems like they have a party over there because it's Saturday, but nobody here is on the beach. But I have passed by two nice sandy beaches, of which one was the official one that was a bit crowded with kids, and the second one that was completely empty. The second one was just around the bridge over there. And it's time for my second beach adventure from Umag. So I have arrived at Umag today at 3:30, which is like 2 hours ago. And after I checked in at my hostel at 4, it's actually, I'm all alone in the room actually, and not too many people in the whole hostel, so it feels like a hotel for sure. The fraction of a price of a cost of a hotel, but it's obviously low season, so not so many people are going on vacation now. But for me, the water here is so warm compared to Sweden. Yesterday I was swimming in 13 degrees Celsius. Here today earlier was 22, but I wanted to verify because on the internet where I have found the temperature, satellite was 19.8 for Umag. So I'm wondering now for my second test how much it will be. This is quite big pebble beach indeed, and I assume it is filled with sunbeds during the summer. And the water here is still, as we can see. Okay, it feels a bit colder. So let's check out the temperature. Okay, 21 over here. So 1 degree is colder compared to the beach, Dante Beach at the hostel where I'm staying, but still a lot warmer than Sweden. And yeah, I'm enjoying here in Umag. It is nice that it is out of season because it's not crowded and you can find whole beach just like this for yourself, as the locals here think it is winter. 19 degrees in the air. For me it's not winter, it's like regular Swedish summer for sure. So yeah, beach adventures with Chris from Croatia. So let's get into it in the sea and enjoy a nice swim as I show you around. They really have party over there. And it feels strange to me because I speak Croatian and I can understand what they're talking actually. To be fair, it feels like a bit artificial over here. I'm not sure if you're supposed to swim here, but I'm going to do it anyway, because you see something pops out of the water like dust, but the water looks clean, so, and it's connected to the sea. You see there is a bridge that they have built. So let's go in anyway and enjoy a nice swim here at Stella Maris Beach Cove. Let's go! Oh, amazing! Beautiful sunset is coming up and I'm going to enjoy with a nice swim here in Umag, Croatia. I just can't believe that Beach Adventures with Chris, we are in Croatia, new country. And this is the second beach adventure from Croatia for me on my channel. I have been swimming in Dubrovnik and one other city that I was staying at, I don't remember the name now. But yeah, this is how we do it. So how did I get here? Yes, I flew from Stockholm Arlanda to Trieste, Italy, and after exploring today in Italy and even did one beach adventure, I took the bus 1.5 hours from Trieste to Umag, passing by Slovenia, which I'm going to go tomorrow actually. So I'm going to be less than 24 hours in Umag. So from 3:30 today until 1:30 tomorrow, so 22 hours. But so far I did 2 beach adventures and tomorrow will be more. So that is a wrap from Stella Maris Beach Cove on this sunset hour on 11th of October. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Creams!